DJI RC Pro 2 First Use. Powering on, off. Unfold the antennas downward. Extend the arm to power on. Press and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the remote controller. Activation. Select a language and country or region after powering on for the first time. Connect the remote controller to a Wi-Fi network and select the time zone, date, and time. Log in with DJI account. For new users, please register before logging in. After activation, tap Start to go through the function guide of the device. If the status LED blinks cyan after powering on, the control stick is not centered. Launch the DJI Fly app and follow the prompts to calibrate. Firmware update. The prompt will appear on the screen if a firmware update is available. Tap the prompt to enter the update screen. Tap Update to update all devices to the latest firmware version. To ensure your safety and an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your device to the latest firmware version immediately. Before updating, please charge the remote controller to at least 20%. During the update, do not exit the DJI Fly app and ensure the remote controller has internet access. After the update, the remote controller will restart. Linking the remote controller. The remote controller is already linked to the aircraft when purchased together as a combo. Otherwise, follow the steps below to link the devices. Tap Linking Guide in the bottom right of the DJI Fly app and follow the instructions to link the aircraft and controller. When the remote controller issues a beeping tone and the remote controller status indicator flashes in blue, you can start the linking process. Press and hold the aircraft power button for about 4 seconds and release it after hearing an indicator tone. The power indicator light will show a moving icon, which means the linking process has begun. When the remote controller's beeping tone stops, the remote controller status indicator remains solid green, and the aircraft power indicator light stops moving and displays the battery level. It indicates that the linking process is successful. If the linking process is unsuccessful, you can download and use DJI Assistant 2 Consumer Drone Series on your computer to upgrade your aircraft and remote controller to the latest firmware, and then proceed with the linking process. Sleep mode. Hold the arm or press the power button to turn off the screen. The remote controller will enter sleep mode after the screen is off for a certain period, and the status LED will pulse blue. In sleep mode, the remote controller disconnects from the aircraft to maximize power savings. Extending the arm or pressing the power button can quickly wake up the remote controller and restore the connection, making transition shooting even smoother. By default, if not awakened within 1 hour, the remote controller will automatically power off. Go to Settings, Display to adjust the timeout settings. Button features. Press the focus shutter button halfway to autofocus and press it all the way down to take a photo. Press the record button to start or stop recording. Rotate the screen to quickly switch between landscape and portrait modes. The left dial is used to adjust the tilt of the gimbal. The right dial is used by default to zoom in or out in video mode. You can also customize it in DJI Fly to control gimbal rotation on the roll axis. The panel includes a dial, back button, flight mode switch, flight pause RTH button, and 5D button. When the camera is set to auto mode, rotate the dial to adjust the EV value. When the camera is set to Pro mode, press the dial to switch camera settings and rotate to adjust parameters. During playback, rotate the dial to move the selection box. Press it to preview the images or videos, and press and hold to select multiple items. Press the back button to return to the previous page. Toggle the flight mode switch to switch between sit-in mode, normal mode, in Sport mode. Press the RTH button once to make the aircraft brake and hover. Press and hold the button to start return to home and land. The functions of the C1 and C2 buttons and the 5D button can be customized in DJI Fly. During the flight, you should adjust the position and distance between the remote controller and the aircraft to ensure it remains within the optimal signal range. Using DJI Simulator. Before your first flight, practice flying using the DJI Simulator for flight safety.